Hello coders, welcome to the second part of the NPM tutorial series from How to Code Well. Today we're going to be demonstrating how we can search NPM packages before we install them. So if you know of a package name or part of a package name that you want to search through the command line using NPM, then check out this tutorial. So what we're going to do in the command line here is we're going to type npm --help. Press enter and we get the usage of the npm command, and we can see things like se, and search. Now these do pretty much the same thing. These search the npm registry or whatever registry you are currently logged into. If you're not logged in at all, if you haven't created a user at all in NPM, and I will be showing you how to do that in a subsequent tutorial, then it will be searching against the public NPM repository. So let's go ahead and start searching for an NPM package. A popular one at the moment would be React. So let's just clear down the screen and let's do npm search and like so, and we're going to search for React. Press enter here, give it a couple of seconds to work its way through, because obviously there's going to be a lot of packages that have the word React in them. We can see down here we've got React Drop Zone, we've got React Hot Loader. If we scroll right to the top though, we have React, the one that we are actually interested in. We've also got a description, which is truncated. We've also got an author field, and we also have a date field here. Now notice that all of the words React are actually in red. This is because they found the word React within both the descriptions and the name itself, which means that we can search for these packages in multiple different ways. For example, if we don't know the actual full name of the package, but perhaps that is in the description, then we can search through that too. So for example, let's say we wanted to look at React Drop Zone, but we weren't too sure whether it was called Drop Zone or Drop Place or Drop something or other. We just weren't sure the actual full name of it. What we can do is, if we clear this down to give it some room, we can do npm search React hyphen and then drop. So perhaps we know it starts with drop, but we don't know what the actual full package name is. If we press enter here, that's going to sort its way through, but it's also going to find drop zone, the one that we're after here. It's also going to find other things, so drop area and drop down. If we scroll up, it's going to find a whole other bits and pieces that aren't necessarily what we're after, but usually it kind of puts the stuff at the top of the list, the most relevant stuff that you're actually looking for. Now, I said before that there are a couple of aliases to the search command. Let's just clear down the screen here to make some room. What we could do is we could use S, which is the shorthand version of search, and it's going to do pretty much the same thing. We could also use SE as well, and that's going to return the same list too. Now, perhaps you would like to record different packages that you wish to use in your application. And I do this sometimes by using the star mechanism. So this is where you're starring one of these packages or more of these packages, and then you can refer back to those packages later on when you're actually building your package.json file. Now I'm going to be showing you how to do all of this and a lot more in the future tutorials. Before we get to that point though, we need to create ourselves an account on the NPM registry, and I'll be showing you how to do that in the next tutorial. If you found this tutorial helpful, then do give it a thumbs up. If you've got any suggestions for future tutorials or future courses like this, then do let me know. Put your thoughts down in the comment section below. Thank you ever so much for watching. Happy coding. I'll see you again next time. Cheers. Bye.